Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert your art into an NFT and sell it on an NFT marketplace. Let's get started. The first thing you need is an NFT marketplace. For this tutorial, we'll use OpenSea, the world's first and largest NFT marketplace. On OpenSea, you can create and sell NFTs for various types of digital content, including art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, and more. Today, we'll focus on converting art into NFTs. To start, you will need a cryptocurrency wallet. I recommend MetaMask, which you can download from metamask.io. If you already have MetaMask, that's great. You can also use Phantom if you're working with Solana. Once your wallet is set up, go back to OpenSea. On OpenSea, connect your wallet by double-clicking the profile icon and selecting MetaMask. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet. Once connected, you're ready to create an NFT. Click the Create button on OpenSea's homepage. It will bring us on Create page. There are two things that you can do with your OpenSea Studio. Drop a collection where you can launch NFT collection for others to mint. Or you can mint your very own NFT where you can create a collection. So, basically, if you already have an existing collection, you can launch them through Drop a Collection. To upload your art and turn it into an NFT, click on Create or Item. You can upload images, videos, audio, or 3D models. Supported file types include JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, and MP3, among others. Upload your art by clicking the Upload area and selecting your file from your computer. After uploading, your art is ready to become an NFT. Next, you'll fill out some basic details. Start with the name of your NFT. For example, I'll name mine The Last Dance. You can also add an external link to your NFT if you have a web page or URL to associate with it. If you don't have one, you can skip this step. Then, add a description for your NFT. This is where you can describe your art and tell potential buyers more about it. You can also add properties to your NFT. Properties are traits like type and name. Once you've added your traits, click Add. You can also create a collection. To actually add NFT, you're going to need to create a collection for your NFT. Add an image for this collection, name, and token symbol. Now, which blockchain you want, here it's say Ethereum, which is estimated cost to deploy on $47, now move to Base, which is estimated cost to deploy on $0.05. We have other blockchains as well, like Polygon, Clayton, and Solana. Let's say I'm going to choose Base, one click on Continue. It says, go to your wallet to finish deploying your contract. Basically, you're being asked for paying fee. Once you paid the fee, you're going to start off your NFT creation. This is how you create collection. Once you've filled out all the details, click Create. OpenSea will process your request and your NFT will be created. Now my art has been created as an NFT using OpenSea. While processing, make sure that your MetaMask wallet has funds in it. Once you uploaded your NFT, you can find it in your collection in OpenSea Studio. That's it. Thank you for watching.